Today I'm going to show how to remove activate Windows 11 watermark in Windows. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle, and it shows up when your copy of Windows is not activated. Microsoft required a valid license key to remove it officially. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove that. For that, our first step is to registry editor. So press Windows R and type regedit regit and click OK. After that, you need to select H key, current user, control panel, and then desktop. On the right side, you need to find Paint desktop version. Double tap it, and you need to set the value to 0. Once it's done, please click OK and close the editor. So second step is to enable the activation using the command prompt. So search for cmd and enter into run as administrator. Yeah, once you entered, please type slmgr space /renew renew and hit enter. Yeah, and click OK for all that and close it. Once you're done, please refresh it and check whether the watermark is removed or not. Yeah, it's removed. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.